Let us start working on problem number 6 here. Right, the 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Let us consider this as the first expression. This is divided by 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18. The result is, this is second expression. So first divided by second expression, what is going to be the result? So let us check out this. Let me take first expression, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. So let us take the LCM for this, that is 2, 4, 5, 6. What is the LCM? 2, 4, 5, 6. LCM, take LCM here. Let me go with the 2. 1s are, 2s are, 5 I can't divide, 3s are. Right. So further division is not possible. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 is nothing but 60. 60 is the LCM. Let me go with the 60. Right. Now 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 into 1 is 30 minus 4. 60 divided by 4 is 15. 15 ones are 15 plus 5, 12, right? Minus 10. Right, let us check out now here. 15 minus 10, that is going to be how much? 30 plus 12 is 42. So this will become 42 minus 25 by 60, so which is nothing but 17 by 60. Right, this is going to be the first expression. Let me find out the same way the second expression. Right, that is going to be 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18. Let me take LCM for this. This is going to be 5, 9, 5, 18. Right, start with 5. Right, 9 I can't divide, so 18 I can't divide. So go with the 9, then 1. Right, this is 1s are, 1 and 2s are. So 5 into 9 into 2, that is 9 5 is a 45, 2s are 90 is the LCM for this. 90. Right, 5. 18s are, 18 2s are 36 minus 9 10s are 10 5s are 50 plus 5, again 18 3s are 54 minus 18 5s are 7 5s are 35. Now let us check out here. 36 minus 35 is 1, so 54, that is going to be 5 by 90. This is second expression. Right, now we are supposed to divide, right? 17 by 60, that divided by 5 by 90. So which I can rewrite. So you know fraction division, that is 60, that into 90 by 5. Right, 0 will be cancelled. 3 2s are, 3 3s are, which is going to become 17 3s are 51 by 10. This is the simplified form. Now but we are supposed to keep it as a mixed fraction. Let me go with this. So let me divide 51 by 10. 5s are 51. Right, this is going to be a divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. You know how to place, how to keep mixed fraction, that is QRD. Right, quotient is here 5. Right, divisor is 10 and remainder is 1. So the answer is 5 1 by 10. Option D is the right one.